Welcome to a space where softness meets strength, where feminine energy isn't hidden but honored. If you've ever felt hesitant to show your vulnerability, or wondered how to feel safe embracing your tender side, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore what feminine energy is, why emotional safety matters, and practical ways to feel safe being soft. Feminine energy is fluid, receptive, and deeply connected to emotion. It's not about weakness, it's about openness, intuition, and presence. When you allow yourself to feel, to express, and to receive, you step into your feminine power. But to do this fully, emotional safety is essential. Without it, vulnerability can feel risky, even impossible. Emotional safety is the foundation that allows you to soften without fear. When you feel safe, your body relaxes, your mind quiets, and your heart opens. It's the difference between hiding your emotions and fully embracing them. Softness thrives in spaces where boundaries, respect, and support exist. Here are simple ways to create emotional safety for yourself. Number 1. Set boundaries. Boundaries protect your energy without shutting others out. Number 2. Validate your feelings. Acknowledge your emotions. You don't need external permission to feel. Number 3. Surround yourself with supportive energy. Seek people, spaces, and communities that honor your softness. Number 4. Practice daily rituals of tenderness. Journaling, gentle movement, or mindful breathing remind your body and mind that it's safe to relax and soften. Each of these practices reinforces the message: being soft is not only allowed, it is sacred. Remember, softness is a form of strength. Feeling safe being soft opens the door to deeper connection, self-love, and authentic expression. If you'd like to explore this further, check the links in the description. Thank you for watching, and may you feel safe, supported, and free to be soft today.